is Galaxy Boy. And today we're joined by Love. What's your name?
What? Oh, Bold Mango. Oh, dang it. Oh gosh,
And
why?
we are going to start building the second pirate
Boat.
ship thing.
The boat.
I
The second boat.
I have to consider this a pirate ship. It looks more like a.
It looks like a pirate ship. So in a way, it looks like.
Yeah. If you picture it.
It's yeah. You just have to
I mean,
use your imagination.
Yeah, super imagination, like the best imagination ever.
Yeah.
What
We just have good imaginations. So
okay.
yeah,
So
we have to decide what the next boat is gonna be for.
What?
The next boat is going to be for. What it's going to be for. Oh. What?
Wait, is it like for crafting or something?
Crafting, whatever. Like, what do you want to do? What?
Just work, pretty much.
Oh yeah, crafting. Yeah. So crafting. So we're gonna make it like a crafting and furnacing place. So
yeah, right now we should probably
go to bed.
I just have to fix something.
This is our main pirate ship. Just saying. It's.
What?
This is our main pirate ship. Like for sleeping or whatever. Oh man.
Okay.
It's kind of weird. I went to bed with a sword in my hand, so.
It's like it's in the middle of the night. You actually stab yourself.
Yeah.
Or I went to bed with rotten flesh in my hand. Oh, whoa. Okay, that hurt me for some reason.
Yeah. Wait, did?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a baby zombie! Let's go kill it.
What?
There's a baby zombie.
Oh, can I kill it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Where is it?
It's that way.
Oh, hello. You are my little child.
Watch out, skeleton. Skeleton. That way.
Where? Oh, I see it. You know what's funny? This axe does so much damage.
Yeah.
It does 9 attack damage.
What?
Yeah, 9 attack damage.
What does the sword do?
And that's 5.
My iron sword does 6 attacks damage.
But so you know how you like scroll, like the weapons come up kind of slowly.
Wait. No. Well, I don't know.
Like on my screen, the weapons come up slowly.
Oh yeah.
So the stone sword comes up faster, and then the stone axe comes up really slow. That's like the speed. So it's slower. So if you were to fight, and there's a ton of mobs like right next to you, it wouldn't be very good. Because it would take forever to like pull it out, and by the time that you pull it out, you're pretty much dead.
Got it.
So yeah. So let's start building the new boat. Should we build it out of oak this time?
Oh wow, yeah, the sword goes out super fast. And then oh my gosh, yeah. The pickaxe, wait, how much does, it does 3.
Yeah, so it's fun. It's kind of hard, but there are oak trees in here.
Yeah, I'll be back in a second, guys. Just wait a couple seconds and I'll be back.
Ooh, a new cave. Guys, there's an Enderman right there. Don't look in his eyes. have to get like more oak, I believe. Where is oak? I need to find that. I mean, there's like sapling. Why not find one of those? We can plant one like right here. Then fruit. This way our thing can be surrounded in normal field. Or not really. And then we can, guess we can put one over here. No, so like, that's okay, because you know, it's Minecraft. It doesn't matter. Yay, watermelon!
Okay. Sorry about that. Wait, why is there trees? Why is there trees in the water?
We got planted them. But I found some more watermelon, and I found a new cave that had an Enderman in it, and I just found a massive pond.
Nice. Oh, the pond next to us?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the pond where I died.
Oh.
With the giant ravine?
That's where we should build the next boat.
Yeah, we should also, like, I was thinking with the flying boats, we'd just make them all around this pond. Yeah. But we could also make boats over there.
Okay,
or we can make a boat
I've got some wood now. I have like a stack.
Of wood? Wow.
Yeah.
Wait, are you going to use your axe?
You can borrow it for a second if you want.
Okay, thank you. Where'd it go?
There's some watermelon too.
Okay, I'm gonna get some wood. So, are we making this next ship out of oak?
Yeah.
Alright.
Time to kill the squid because I want ink sac. Yeah, I got an ink sac. Whoa, there's an underwater cave.
Yeah, I know. That's where I died.
Whoa, that is really hard.
But don't worry, you can go. It has places where you can breathe.
I know, but it's like a whirlpool. It just pulls me down.
Yeah. I know. That's how I died. I drowned. I was so close to getting up though.
This is a canyon. Oh no, creepers.
I just heard that explosion.
Yeah, there's a bunch of mobs down there, like Enderman and stuff, and they're all in that. That's an underground canyon. We could really get some good resources from that.
Yeah. Wait, what the heck?
What was that?
Why is there jazz music playing? Did I press something?
Wait, there should be a pause button on your thing. Press it.
Oh yeah. Oops. Oh, that's probably my dad's old music. Old people music.
If we ever make a funny moments of this channel, or the
yeah,
that would be in it.
Random jazz music. That would be pretty cool.
Okay.
Oh, hey, there's another canyon thing.
How high should we make this boat?
How high?
Like 20.
Let's just make it like 12 blocks high.
Okay.
From the river thing. And we have to remember to put wings on it.
Yeah. I have an idea for wings, okay? But like down here, it's in Spain.
What? Yeah, I know. Trust me, I've been down there before. I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna get some clay.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You gotta do that. think this boat's gonna be a little bit bigger.
What?
I think this boat's gonna be a little bit bigger.
Okay. Wait, are we making in this pond?
Huh?
We're making in this pond?
Oh, I guess we can. Oh,
Let's do it in this pond. But let's only make the things in this pond and the other pond.
Like, we can have, like, one or two in the other pond.
What? Are we gonna, like... Well, yeah. Well, I was thinking we could have most of them in the other pond. Because they'd be around the trees, too.
Oh, yeah. I guess it's gonna be, like, a different boat. Maybe, like, just over...
We should make, like, a bridge over to this pond. And, like, bridges over to every, pirate ship or something.
Okay. I don't have an axe.
Oh, do you want to... Oh.
I mean, that's okay.
Here, I have wood. I can...
If you want to come up.
Yeah, I'll come up. Why'd you drop a piece of wood?
Because I'm carving the boat.
Oh. Hello.
So,
Do you want an axe?
sure. Yeah. Okay. So what we gotta do is we've gotta do that, and that, and that, and that.
I really need to get an axe.
So now we gotta do this. Whoa. I almost fell. Okay. So you can do that. I gotta get more wood, but we should probably go back to the thing now.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! I almost jumped into there. I think that's looking pretty good so far. But this video is already like how long? Like 10 minutes, maybe.
Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna start. Well, you make the
Hey,
boat.
look! I'm growing, so now we can chop down that one.
Yay! I'm gonna make a stone axe. This is probably a good idea. I'm gonna after this, I'm gonna start making the bridge over to the other lake.
Okay. And then gotta make it like easier so we don't have to like.
Okay,
My thing just ended for some reason, so I'm gonna start it again.
okay.
Hey guys, I'm back. For some reason that stopped. But yeah. Okay guys, just one second.
I'm gonna
Shit.
Galaxy Boy. I'm gonna go start the bridge.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, I'll be back. Gonna build the bridge. Dun, 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 dun. Gonna build a bridge. Not a wall, because I'm not trouble. Yeah, I'm gonna build a bridge. Dun, dun, dun. Gonna build a bridge. I like this song. It's pretty awesome.
So, hi guys, this is Galaxy Boy. I'm gonna start.
Bridge to Wonderland. Oh my gosh.
Okay, yeah, guys, I'm back, and for some reason that weird thing happened.
Again.
But, yeah. Whoa, that is a cool bridge.
Thank you. It is pretty good, if I can say so myself. Good. That. And that. And oh, there's a tree. Oh, okay.
There we go. Now I can use the bridge.
Gonna kill a tree. Gonna kill this tree. I'm gonna kill a tree.
Whoa, this is cool.
Yeah. I need more wood. I need to make an axe. Forgot to make an axe.
Okay. Yeah, the other boat is almost ready, I think.
Gonna make an axe. Gonna axe up some trees with my axe.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Never mind.
Never. Oh, I just saw a tree pop up right in front of my face. It was pretty beautiful.
I just like killed my waste on my. Ah. Okay. I have to go see.
You do?
Yeah, that's okay. I feel like I have like an hour left. I can.
Oh wow. You have to go soon. I have like an hour. I thought you meant like
Oh yeah.
I have to leave in
yeah,
5 minutes.
It's not that long. I thought I heard my parents ask me, but I did not hear them, so that's good.
Okay.
Oh wow!
I'm gonna
it's
get
actually smaller than I thought. I'm gonna bigger.
Dun, dun, dun. I think this will be a pretty successful world, if I do say so myself. Unless Connor comes in and blows it up.
Yeah.
Which is very likely. Just saying, if any of you guys meet a guy named Connor Cochran, you should shoot him in the face.
Otherwise known as Connor Charles on it.
Yeah, Connor Charles.
Or Connor Play.
He has like a freaky Bonnie skin. Dark Bonnie.
He changed it.
Oh, he did? What is it now? Some sort of 5 minutes
It's like a regular person now.
Oh. Well, what if you see a regular looking person? Kill it, because you never know. And if he's named Connor Charles, definitely kill it. Because it's definitely
a white hoodie.
Yeah, he's bad. So yeah.
Guys, he's the reason that we started this series late.
Yeah. Yeah, it would have been like our first video, but no.
Actually, that would have been on my old channel if we did that.
Oh yeah, it would. It would have been on his old channel. That's why I sometimes call him Chopper88, because that's his old channel.
Or Chopper888.
888, yeah. 8.
This name is way better. I don't have to feel embarrassed and I don't have to have people come or thinking that my name is like off of a motorcycle or a helicopter or something.
Yeah.
An apple! And look, now I can grow a jungle sapling.
You can?
Jungle sapling. So
yay! We should make this ship, this puny little ship, we should make it take up the whole entire lake. Like make it huge and just make it take up like the whole entire lake, and then make all our other ships on the other side.
Okay. Well, that'd be kind of hard though, considering it's already built.
Well, we would just improvise. I don't know.
Cool.
Dude. Okay. Crafting table. Then okay,
Oh, well, I didn't even get any wood. I completely forgot. Guys, I'm gonna go check out what's down in this cave thing.
Okay.
Right here. There's lots and lots of. Whoa! Oh, never mind. Ow! 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 That went bad.
How do you make fences? It's so hard.
Oh yeah, I learned how to do it.
How? How do you do it?
You have 2. Oh well, I died.
Oh.
And I lost all my stuff. And I got shot in the foot.
Yeah, that's kind of what happened to me.
I should not have gone down in that, but my stuff is long gone by now. It's all at the bottom.
No, I know, but you can breathe down there.
Oh yeah, can you help me?
Yeah.
Because a skeleton shot me in the foot. A creeper blew me into the wall, and then I drowned.
That's kind of unfortunate.
Oh yeah, wait. Did I see light down there? I think I saw a torch. Oh wait, no, that's just X2. Skeleton, you can't hurt me. Oh, sorry. I thought you were a skeleton.
Here, your stuff.
Yeah,
your stuff. Wow. So many mobs down here. It's crazy. Oh gosh. No. I'm drowning. Oh no. I drowned while trying to escape a skeleton. Don't pick up my stuff, please. You probably will. What?
I just picked up like a bunch of stuff. I look like a porcupine.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Oh,
I think our stuff is pretty much gone.
No, it will not be gone because I have an iron sword and a lot of wood. So come here. Let's go.
But I just died, and I had a bunch. Yeah, look at me. I'm a porcupine. Look how many arrows I got shot by. Look. This is what happens when you go into caves like that.
You don't have any arrows on you?
Oh, I don't?
No.
And on my screen I do. They're everywhere.
Huh. I wish you could ride squids like down into this thing. Hole of despair. Alright, let's go.
They'll probably eat you because they're
Wait, we should. Do you have it? Oh, wait, never mind. You don't have anything. Forgot about that. Okay, I just got oak saplings.
I found my stuff.
Oh gosh.
Oh, wait.
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, there's tons of stuff.
Here, just grab anything you can find and then we can.
Yeah. Make a run for it. And to kill the skeleton. Let's try to kill all the skeletons down here because we're gonna die from the skeletons. Who's shooting me? Oh, what the heck? What's shooting me?
All I found was some arrows, an ink sack, some sand, some clay.
Oh, it's right there.
Wood,
oh, dang.
Cobblestone, and some water.
Ah! I'm going back up. Oh, I died. Dang it. Okay.
I'll go back down and get this stuff.
I only had saplings, remember? Did you get your stuff?
Oh, I found my stone sword. Oh, no.
I just heard a creeper.
I got a bow and arrow from the skeleton, and it's dead. There's like no stuff on left on it.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Okay. Let's go down.
I recovered some stuff, but most stuff was lost. I couldn't find it.
Oh, my stuff? Okay.
Yeah, there's still some.
Wait, do you have like a ton of wood on you?
Yeah.
I had a lot of wood.
Yeah.
Oh, is it jungle?
Yeah. And then there's some clay. There's some arrows.
Oh, yeah, I had arrows.
I had one watermelon, I think. That might be all of them. I don't know.
Okay.
Do you have any pork chops or like?
Could I have some cobblestone?
I
need to make a stone axe. Okay. That ravine, we should like close it off because it's dangerous. I can still see my experience glowing down there.
I'm going back down.
What? Why?
Because I want to try and get the stuff.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna die again, and then we're gonna have to do this.
No, I'm not.
What? Do you have something different this
Oh,
time?
yeah, look, I got more stuff.
You found your stuff?
I found some stuff.
Does it have it?
I got some other stuff.
Did you find an iron?
I found my helmet and your sword.
Oh, sweet. Did you find my boots?
No.
Oh. Good thing I have stuff in this chest.
I didn't keep looking though. All those bullets are gone.
Okay.
We should probably end the video here.
Oh, Chopper or Ice Boy. There's
What?
There's some mobs on
No.
your boat. It's been overtaken by mobs.
Only a few.
Oh, hey, creeper behind you.
Creeper. Oh, wait.
Does this really?
Another one destroyed me down there.
Well, I have a stone axe, and it's gonna kill it in like 2 hits.
Yeah, your sword is much like.
Ow! Ah, see, I killed it, and I got some.
I have another bow and arrow for you,
Oh, sweet,
and your sword.
and my sword.
It's right here.
Thank you. Oh yeah, I had a bow with like no stuff on it. Oh gosh, I see a witch
Where?
over on the other side of the lake. Okay, let's go to sleep and end the video.
Yeah, this is a really, really long video.
Yeah, pretty long. It's gonna take forever to upload, but yeah.
Look, I'm growing a jungle tree. Hopefully it gets to like full size.
So next video, I think we should
Keep working on the new boat.
yes, and I'm gonna make the bridge and
And walk off the beach.
please comment and subscribe if you have any ideas about what you think we should try to do, or
And like.
and like and subscribe and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So see you guys later.
Good. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Oh, I finished mine. Oh, and here's some of your